to my heart to sing thy grace with streams of mercy never ceasing. Call for songs of loudest praise. Then teach me some melodious song, yeah, sung by flaming tongues above. Praise the mountain fixed upon it, mount of thy redeeming love. Here I raise my Ebenezer, hither by thy help I'm come. Oh, and I hope by thy good pleasure safely to arrive at home. But Jesus sought me when I stranger, wandering from the fold of God. He to rescue me from danger interposed his precious blood. Oh, to grace how great a debtor daily I'm constrained to thee. Lord, let thy goodness like a fetter bind my wandering heart to thee. But I'm prone to wonder, Lord, I feel it. I'm prone to leave the God I love. Here's my heart, Lord, take and seal it for thy courts above. But I'm prone to wonder, Lord, I feel it, prone to leave the God I love. But here's my heart, Lord, take and seal it for thy courts above. Here's my heart, Lord, take and seal it for thy courts above. Come now, fount of every blessing,